Talent is one of the greatest forms of energy. Whenever and wherever talent leads, wonders shall happen. पंडित श्री राम शर्मा आचार्य. बुक टाइटल दुनिया नष्ट नहीं होगी, श्रेष्ठतर बनेगी. If justice is respected by all, policies are recognized by all, everybody moves and eat together. If such a principle prevails and accepted by the public mind with a true sense, then the direction will be found, remedies will be figured out, new plans will be made, efforts will be made, and finally there will be a way to reach the goal. Atmavat Sarvabhuteshu and Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya. Such a great and incredible India, which would have been influential, should have played an epoch-making role. It is sad that despite having everything, but we are not at the pedestal where we as a country should be. We left the worship of Shakti and Shakti left us. Mother is no longer in our heart, in the brains, in the arms. This book explains how the horrors of nuclear wars, increasing population, injustice across the world, fear and mistrust, etc., can lead to the downfall of society. Also, it describes Pragya Yug, that is, an era of wisdom, society, how there will be a return of Satyug, how the world will be not destroyed and it will be a superior. Glad to present a small book on the topic that explains how people can live a peaceful life with the power of self, justice, regulation of self, sense of understanding, gender equality, and taking responsibilities towards the growth of society and the whole world. Few excerpts from the book. Everyone should adopt what is sensible, especially those who commit crimes against humanity as a whole. It is only for such people it is said that the one who pursues will be pursued, the one who destroys will be destroyed. Those people who have the ability to spoil the conditions of the world these days will have to bow before the awakening of public opinions. The campaign to awaken Lokmat is going on by the Pragya movement. Nature is so beautiful and pleasant in itself that the joy of playing in its lap can fulfill the feeling for which everyone has a great thirst today. This will be an important step towards the liberation from ideological pollution. The time for humanity to rise to divinity and create heaven like an environment on earth is now near. Darkness is shrinking and going away. The break of dawn has brought a message of delight. Humans possesses enormous potential in them. If a human decides to do something, nothing is impossible. What is there that you cannot make, you cannot do, you cannot build? The pyramids of Egypt, the wall of China, the Taj Mahal, the Suez and Canal of Panama, and Pisa's tower have been built only by his efforts. Similarly, if a new world is to be created by eliminating all the existing evils, it is only possible if the talent of the world comes together and unanimously decides to transform things in and around them. We can have heaven here on earth. Few topics covered in the book are Yug Rishis, prophecy of the return of the golden age, united fronts of struggle and creation, destruction will take place and eventually creation will emerge. Religious systems should be refined. A new form of the world will emerge. The problem of the population will also have to be solved. Values will improve. Women's talent will emerge. Efficiency will improve. How will the society of Pragya Yug